Okay, I just got a short video regarding this transfer pump. Got from Amazon, 12 volt DC, max flow 330 GPH, max height 44 feet. That's pretty good. Suction port 3/4 inch, discharge 3/4 inch. So basically 2 garden hoses, one on either side. Ideal for draining pools, kid pools, water heaters, water beds, washing machines, and remove water down to 1/8 inch from the surface. Self-priming up to 7 feet depth. Includes a 6-foot section hose. Okay, this might work good because what I'm trying to do is transfer water from my tank in my truck up to my storage tank in the cabin here. I'm going to attach onto the hose that goes to the tank, and then a hose from the tank on the truck. Okay, open up the box here. And first thing is the little user manual. Explains everything about it. You've got a switch there. Got the clamps for your battery. We got an extra gear for the pump. Gasket. Tells you everything about it. Typical user manual. All the different pieces and parts. How to replace the impeller, cleaning, lubrication. So everything you need to know. And actual picture diagrams, instruction. This is the kind of like a sand point or a suction bottom. Put that on the bottom wherever you're sucking the water from. And the pump itself. Nice little pump. Easy to handle. Nice handle on there to carry it around. So, and even give you a hose here. I think this is the suction hose. Okay, good. And Teflon tape and a spare gear, spare gasket. So I'll get it hooked up and see if I can get it operating. Okay, I got it hooked up. I got the tank tilted because I didn't get much water today because I had wrong fitting in town. But it got about 40 gallons. Yeah, it's got hooked up to 12 volt. Pumps in. It's got the base on it there. Could be sitting a little flatter, but that works. And yeah, let's turn her on. And there she goes. You can feel her coming through. Running along here. Got it going here just in case there's any leakage. Runs along my system and up in through the 2-inch ball valve. And she's filling the tank. Mind you, it is a little slow, but it's still better than me trying to pack it up there and dump it in. So that's awesome. Once again, there'll be a link in the description. If you think one of these transfer pumps are good for you, be useful. Dream your dream, never stop dreaming. Acreage is coming along. Oh yeah, and I oiled my deck yesterday too. Looking pretty sharp. Catch you on the next video.